Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will discuss to you a simple program that I wrote using Delphi that will ask the user to give US dollar value and then it will convert into Philippine peso. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I am here in the working environment or IDE of Delphi. So we have here a form, and then in our form we have here the title, form 1, caption, US dollar to Philippine peso conversion, and then we have two text edit box now. This one to accept US dollar amount, and then this one for Philippine peso, and then we have two label 1 and then label 2, and then we have three buttons: convert, clear, and quit. Let us go first to the convert button. Double click, and then here we have three variables. So is USD value for US dollar, and then PHP value for Philippine peso. And then I have here error handling if try string to float USD and US value. If it is not a numeric value, it will show a message box. Please enter a valid numeric US dollar value. If it is a numerical value, US value multiplied by USD to PHP rate, assuming that the example rate is 57 pesos. So we have here a constant. When we say constant in Object Pascal in Delphi, it is a value that cannot be changed during and after our program execution. Let's go back. Next, let us go to the design. Clear. Now, what is the purpose of the clear button? The clear button will clear our text box US dollar amount at the top in US equivalent peso, which allows us to put a new set of US dollar value. Let us double click the button, clear button. So we have here edit USD clear, edit PHP clear, and then set focus. Now when we say set focus, after we clear, the cursor will go back here in the US dollar amount. Okay, now let's go to the third button. The third button is quit. So when we click the quit button, our form will be closed. So in Object Pascal, the command is close. In Visual Basic, unload me or visualbasic.net. Okay, so let us run our program to check. It's running right now. Enter US dollar amount. Let's say 21.34 US dollar. Click convert. We have here 1216.38. Now, observe properly, the text box in the Philippine peso is read only. It cannot be changed, no? So where do we go to make it read only? Click the edit box. In the properties window, there is a property called read only. It should be true. Okay? So let us run again for second time around. 74.12. Click convert. We have here 4224.84. Clear. Last example 12.37. Convert 705.09. When I click the quit button, our program will close. In That's it. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on US dollar to Philippine peso conversion using Delphi programming language. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.